Hi friends, how are you? Now we will draw a interesting drawing. We can use the number 7 and 2 to draw a cute little mouse. So let's start. First of all, we'll draw number 7. It's really interesting. Then we can put number 2 at the bottom of 7. Actually this part is the front part of the mouse. This is the ear. We are drawing the ear of the mouse. Ear here. Then we connect the drawing here. This is the tail. Now I'm drawing the tail. Let's draw two lines for the tail. The eye is here. And the nose. Little detailing on the nose. And the hands are here. It also needs legs too. Let's draw the legs here. Ta-da! The mouse is complete. Now we can make the drawing more interesting by doing some details and put the shades on. Let's start the shade. The mouse getting more interesting. You see, the shades making the mouse alive. Here I am drawing the straight line to put the shades here. Sometimes we put the cross line or cross segment to make the shades better. The mouse looks really good. It looks like the mouse is sitting on the ground. Alright, the drawing is complete. I hope you guys like the video. So as you watch it, please like the video and share the video and subscribe it and put the bell icons on so that you can get the notification when the new video comes up in the channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.